Ever wondered which cities never sleep because millions call them home? Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey to the very heart of human civilization, exploring the colossal urban centers that define our modern world. These are not just cities, they are vibrant ecosystems, bustling with life, culture, and an unparalleled density of human experience. Join us as we delve into the intricate tapestry of the world's largest urban centers. We'll uncover the unique pulse of each metropolis, from their staggering populations to their profound global impact. Prepare to be captivated by the sheer scale and dynamic energy of these global giants. Our expedition begins in the east, traversing continents to witness the incredible diversity of urban life. We will explore 5 truly monumental cities: Tokyo, Delhi, Shanghai, Sao Paulo, and Dhaka. Each one a testament to human ingenuity and resilience, facing both immense challenges and boundless opportunities. First, we arrive in a city that often tops the charts for urban population, Tokyo, Japan. Imagine a sprawling expanse where ancient traditions seamlessly blend with futuristic innovation. This megacity is a marvel of efficiency and order, home to an astonishing number of people. Tokyo's metropolitan area is a testament to organized chaos, where millions navigate daily with remarkable precision. The sheer volume of commuters, the intricate subway systems, and the towering skyscrapers all speak to a city that has mastered high-density living. Life here is a delicate balance of relentless work and vibrant leisure. Culturally, Tokyo is a kaleidoscope. From the serene gardens of the Imperial Palace to the neon-lit streets of Shibuya, it offers an endless array of experiences. Its economic landscape is equally impressive, serving as a global financial hub and a leader in technology and design. Tokyo truly embodies the spirit of a modern, thriving megacity. Next, we journey to the heart of South Asia, to Delhi, India. This ancient city, with its layers of history, now stands as one of the most populated urban agglomerations on Earth. Delhi is a city of contrasts, where centuries-old monuments stand alongside burgeoning modern infrastructure. The rhythm of life in Delhi is intense and exhilarating. Its streets are a constant flow of activity, a vibrant symphony of sounds, sights, and smells. The population density here creates a unique communal spirit, where millions share space, stories, and aspirations. Delhi's cultural diversity is profound, reflecting India's rich heritage. It is a melting pot of languages, religions, and traditions, all coexisting within its vast urban sprawl. Economically, Delhi is a crucial center for trade, commerce, and government, driving significant growth in the region. The challenges of urban population growth are evident, but so is the incredible resilience of its people. Our third destination takes us to the economic powerhouse of China, Shanghai. This global city is a dazzling display of ambition and rapid development. Its iconic skyline, dominated by futuristic skyscrapers, tells a story of unprecedented growth and transformation. Shanghai's population has swelled dramatically over the past few decades, making it a pivotal urban center. Life here is fast-paced and forward-looking, with a strong emphasis on innovation and global connectivity. The city is a magnet for talent and investment, constantly reinventing itself. The cultural fabric of Shanghai is a fascinating blend of East and West, old and new. From the historic Bund to the ultra-modern Pudong district, it offers a unique urban experience. As a major financial and shipping hub, Shanghai's economic influence extends across the globe, solidifying its status as the world's biggest city. Crossing oceans, we arrive in South America, in the sprawling metropolis of Sao Paulo, Brazil. This vibrant city is the economic heartland of Brazil and one of the most populated cities in the Western Hemisphere. Sao Paulo is a city of immense scale and incredible energy. The sheer size of Sao Paulo's urban area is breathtaking, a seemingly endless expanse of buildings and bustling streets. Its diverse population, drawn from all corners of Brazil and the world, contributes to a rich tapestry of lifestyles and traditions. Life here is dynamic, passionate, and full of life. Sao Paulo's cultural scene is incredibly rich, boasting world-class museums, theaters, and a renowned culinary landscape. It is a true melting pot, reflecting the diverse heritage of Brazil. Economically, Sao Paulo is a powerhouse, driving industries from finance to fashion, making it a critical player on the global stage. The challenges of urban living are met with an indomitable spirit. Finally, we journey to another South Asian giant, Dhaka, Bangladesh. This incredibly dense city is a testament to human endurance and community spirit. Dhaka's population growth has been exponential, making it one of the most densely populated megacities in the world. Life in Dhaka is a constant flow of activity, a vibrant and often challenging existence for its millions of residents. The city's energy is palpable, from its bustling markets to its crowded streets. Despite the immense pressures of urban population growth, a strong sense of community and resilience prevails. Dhaka's culture is deeply rooted in Bengali traditions, rich with history, art, and a distinctive culinary heritage. It is a city where every street corner tells a story. Economically, Dhaka is a vital center for Bangladesh, driving its economy through manufacturing, trade, and a burgeoning service sector. It is a city that truly embodies the spirit of a megacity facing its future head-on. These 5 cities, Tokyo, Delhi, Shanghai, Sao Paulo, and Dhaka, are more than just population statistics. They are living, breathing entities, each with its own unique character, challenges, and triumphs. They represent the cutting edge of urban development and the incredible diversity of human experience. Understanding these urban giants helps us grasp the future of our planet. The numbers tell a compelling story of growth trends and population density, showcasing the immense scale of these urban centers. As we've seen, life in megacities presents both incredible opportunities and significant hurdles. These cities are laboratories for the future, constantly adapting and evolving. Which of these most populated cities in the world would you love to explore? Comment below and share your thoughts on these incredible urban landscapes. Your insights help us understand the world better.